The Lamb's Book 5, Mars Lamb's Hammer. How to correctly measure the weight of human soul? Actually, when someone is deeply sleeping, his soul also will mostly go out his body. We can use tools of high-tech to measure the change of a sealed warehouse which load many people and let them wake and deeply sleep in the same time. For example, we can measure the change of the graduate of the warehouse which was putted in waters. Mars Lamb's related theory. The collapse of the soul's wave. Our souls will go deep into the body of the Lord, the origin of the universe, when we are sleeping. There are just remain a small portion of string which hooked our body. Actually, what you see in your dream is true but is far not real compared to when you are waked. Because your soul is little affected by other souls and the countless small souls in our body, and our self-sense is weak, so we feel more unreal in our dream or can hardly feel anything. When you are waked up, your soul, just like wave which come back from a vast space and collapse into a tight wave pool of countless souls, your body. Happily, you are the strongest commander in this wave pool of countless souls, and you can command other small souls, just like your hands and feet, to move. The principle of above experiments and other 4 related experiments. Please read the Lamb's Book 1 to 4. The new scientific theory and the 5 experiments were written by Google plus Lamb Mars. The Lamb's Book 4, 2 more important experiments. Experiment 1, using a closed circular glass box or other objects to load a stationary children or adults or other animals, then let the box to be dropped at a flying plane. In the process of dropping, we can use technological tools and methods to measure the speed of the falling. Because the human or animal is afraid of death or be hurted, so their mind will generate instinctive resistance to resist the falling towards to the massive objects such as Earth. So the speed of the falling will slower than the box in the same quality and the same shape with the speed which was calculated by physicists. Experiment 2, using one non-transparent box to load some lower level of thinking of animals, then drop this box from a flying plane. Because those animals don't know they will die or be hurted, so they are more and more enjoying of the falling. They will generate more instinctive awareness to initiatively get closer to the massive objects such as Earth, so they will fall faster than the box in the same quality and the same shape with the speed which was calculated by physicists. The principle of above experiments. Please read the Lamb's Book 1 to 3. The new scientific theory and the 4 experiments were written by Google plus Lamb Mars.